You check your bank balance, and 47 cents. Not savings, your entire life. And here's the part nobody tells you. This number will decide how you think, act, and who you become. You're 23. You don't feel broke, but every decision feels calculated. Groceries, you compare prices. Subscriptions, you hesitate to cancel. This isn't poverty. This is financial pressure you can't turn off. And that's where the game begins. At low money, every decision is emotional. You don't invest logically. You react. You get paid, you relax, you spend. Something breaks, panic. You think you have a money problem, but it's worse. You have a behavior problem disguised as money. Then something small happens. You save your first $1,000. Nothing changes externally, but internally, everything shifts. For the first time, you're not surviving, you're controlling something. Saving money feels powerful, but it's a trap if you stop there. Because savings protect you, but they don't grow you. You hit 10K, you feel safe. Then you realize if you keep going like this, you'll be stable, not free. That's when the mindset breaks. You stop asking, how do I save? And start asking, how do I multiply? You try something small, side income, skill, risk. It fails. You try again. This time, it works. $300, then $800, then $2,000. Not life-changing, but something just changed. Income buys time. Assets buy freedom. Salary feels safe until you realize it has a ceiling. So you build something that doesn't stop when you do. Money starts coming in, even when you're not working. That's when the game flips. Now, you're not thinking about survival. You're thinking about leverage. Where to put money, what to ignore, who to say no to. Because every yes now costs future growth. And most people never get here, not because they can't, but because they never change how they think. One day, you hit a number you used to dream about, and nothing magical happens. No fireworks, no freedom switch, just a quiet realization. Money was never the goal. Control was. Somewhere right now, someone is staring at $1,247, thinking they're behind. They're not. They're just at the beginning of a game most people never learn how to play. If you want to understand the next level of this game, watch the next video, because this was just level 1.